If you're watching this video, then I guess you're an aspiring videographer just like I am, and it's something that I really like to talk about. So for example, I believe you have seen a lot of videos where these advanced videographers, they like just move their camera, they are literally just moving so fast, recording the subject, setting motions, and you're like boom, at the end you see the results. It's actually amazing. The slow down the video is so good. I mean, you try to do it by yourself, your video is too shaky, or for example it's not that smooth. That's because there's actually some things that they leave out. I've watched about 150 plus videography videos in my journey because I am studying as well, and just about 10 to 15 of them actually mention what I'm about to tell you now. Like, most people don't mention it, but when you want to shoot a video, okay, listen very carefully. Depending on the scene, are people going to be moving? Are you going to slow down the video in post-production? You need to take note of that. If it's a scene in which you want to include some slow motion, okay, to get that very nice slow motion, first you need to be shooting in a very high quality, probably 4K or 8K. I need to set your frame rate to 60 frames per second. That's going to give you a lot of frames, such that when you're slowing it down, you have a really smooth slow motion. Now you shoot at 24 frames per second when you have, like, you really want to mimic very natural, lifelike movement. Okay. For example, if somebody is just walking or just normal actions like this is actually 24 frames per second, and it's actually very natural. Yeah. You will not want to shoot this kind of scene at 60 frames per second. First, higher frame rates means a higher size, a higher file size. Okay, so you won't want to just be occupying space like that, and your movement is going to be so unrealistic. So this kind of scene, like this video right now, this talking head video, is shot at 24 frames per second. Where am I actually? As you can see, my window is actually facing me right now. My window is facing me. My bulb is on just because I really don't have a very good light source, and this is the best kind of place I can position it. The more the light, the better for your videos. The frames part, very important, very important. And if you want some natural motion blurs, you have to now adjust your shutter speed and things like that, but we're not going to go into that today. I'll keep sharing you tips I discover in my journey as an aspiring mobile videographer. Please, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more. I'll be keeping you updated.